Kia ora whānau. This week's te reo task is to ask and respond to a question in te reo. Now, the question is, kei te haere koe ki hia. Where are you going? Now, the response is kei te haere ahau, I am going, ki Mexico, to Mexico. So the answer in English is I am going to Mexico. Now, your task is to go to the Māori dictionary and find another place and its name in te reo and write that destination in your sentence. So you'll write kei te haere koe ki hia, where you're going, and then you'll write kei te haere ahau ki, and then the name of the place you're going and its translation in te reo, and then write in English I am going to Mexico or whatever that place is. To find the noun, you'll click on the Māori dictionary icon and it'll take you to the site where you can find the name and te reo of your destination, and that will be your response for your te reo task this week. Ka pai.